This is why you need to pay attention to your health. Your body often gives you signals when something isn't right, and it's crucial to listen to these signs. Ignoring them can lead to serious health issues down the line. Don't ignore these diabetes symptoms. Diabetes is a condition that can sneak up on you, but if you know what to look for, you can catch it early and manage it effectively. You might think it's nothing, but recognizing diabetes symptoms early can make a big difference. Thirsty all the time? This isn't just about needing a drink. It could be your body signaling high blood sugar levels. It could be more than just needing a drink. Excessive thirst is one of the most common symptoms of diabetes, and it's your body's way of trying to flush out excess glucose. Frequent trips to the bathroom? This isn't just an inconvenience, it's another sign that your body is trying to get rid of excess sugar through urination. Your body might be trying to tell you something important. Feeling unusually tired? Fatigue is a common symptom of diabetes because your body isn't able to use glucose for energy effectively. It's not just lack of sleep. Blurry vision? That's another red flag. High blood sugar levels can cause the lenses in your eyes to swell, leading to vision problems. And if you're losing weight without trying, this could be a serious sign. Unexplained weight loss is often a result of your body not getting enough energy from glucose, so it starts burning fat and muscle instead. That's a serious sign you shouldn't ignore. Don't wait. These symptoms are your body's way of telling you that something is wrong. If you notice these symptoms, talk to your doctor. Early detection can make a huge difference in managing diabetes and preventing complications. Early detection can help manage diabetes and keep you feeling your best. Stay aware, stay healthy. Regular checkups and being mindful of your body's signals can help you stay on top of your health. Thanks for watching, and take care. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Your health is important, and staying informed is the first step to taking control.